Hello, I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man, and I'm with Catherine O'Rourke. Catherine is a solicitor in JMW's Business Crime and Regulation Department, but specialises in court-martial work. Hello, Catherine.
Hi, Dominic. Hi.
So tell me, how does a forces investigation differ from a civilian police investigation?
Yeah, so to be honest, Dominic, an investigation with the services police will largely be the same as what we would typically expect from a civilian police force investigation. So it will involve obtaining evidence, so whether that's forensic evidence, telephone evidence, any other sort of digital material, as well as witness statements, for example, and the accounts of others who are involved in the incident that has been alleged, which is what we would normally expect in a civilian police investigation. So it largely mirrors that. We'll also see, as you would see in a civilian police investigation, the investigation by the services police will also involve usually the interview of the suspect, so the member of the armed forces, which would normally take place at a military base.
And can a conviction end a military career?
Yes, it can do, unfortunately, which is what makes these allegations, investigations, and any potential charges that arise from that so serious. So any investigation and conviction following a charge being brought by the services prosecution can lead to the dismissal of a person from the armed forces.
Catherine, if a member of the armed forces find themselves under investigation, what should they do next?
So if someone within the armed forces is being investigated, or if they have in fact been charged with a criminal offence and are due to attend at the court-martial, it's essential that they do get legal representation from the outset from specialist lawyers who routinely represent people in court-martial cases. It's so important because, as I mentioned, a conviction can lead to dismissal from the armed forces, as well as being convicted and sentenced to a period of custody at the Military Corrective Training Centre in Colchester. So the implications are life-changing for that service person potentially, as well as obviously for their family, who will, suffer the consequences from any conviction.
Catherine, thank you so much for your insight. And if you're a member of the armed forces and you'd like to speak to Catherine, get some advice from her, you can contact her insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.